Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. This particular boat is powered by triple Mercury 250 Verado engines. These are the new engines. Oil change, quick release, everything right on top of the motor. Have a very spacious trunk area for storage. As we come through the boat, got a walk-through transom. This does have the quick release fender clips. Fusion stereo on the back. This has the U-shaped seating in the cockpit area. Also the extendable sure shade, the radar, and the Glow-Max antenna up top. Coming in, you'll have a Kenyan grill, a sink. You have outlets, 110 outlets. Here you'll have a refrigerator and a trash can. And these are your quick release fender clips. Here's a spot for your table. More seating. This does slide back and forth so you can be with your guests when you are sitting still. Here at the helm, you'll have 2 seats, flip up thigh rise bolsters. This does have the Mercury joystick with the skyhook option. Digital throttle shift. This is yacht certified. Spotlight. Tilt wheel steering. Simrad VHF radio. And you'll see a flush mounted Fusion with a Wi-Fi built in. This has double dual screens for the Simrads. Here on the hardtop you'll see flush mounted speakers, and also this is an opening hardtop as well. This is going to be where your table and your pole stores. Walking up to the bow, you're able to block it off, close the window. As you come up here, you'll see very spacious seating in the bow, which is unique to this Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. Also have a stereo remote control over here on the starboard side. A spot to put the table right here. Lighting to light up the floor. Forward you'll see a spotlight, bow rail, and also a windlass anchor with remote. Let's head down to the cabin. Again, a very unique feature is a very spacious cabin. As we come down, you'll see a microwave, another refrigerator, plenty of storage below, a forward V-berth area. This does lower and make a full bed. You'll have a television on the forward bulkhead wall and an enclosed head with a nice sink, trash can, and plenty of storage. In the back, you'll have a mid-cabin area, and this will sleep 4 to 6 people comfortably. This completes the walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.